everyone, in this video we're going to look into the advantage disadvantage essays which appears in the IELTS academic writing section. Now let us look into the description. The IELTS essay on advantages and disadvantages is common type of task where test takers are required to discuss both the positive and the negative aspects of a given topic. This essay format typically includes an introduction, body paragraphs discussing advantages and disadvantages separately, and a conclusion. Now let us look into the general structure. Firstly, it will include the introduction. Here you need to paraphrase the essay question to introduce the topic. Secondly, provide general background information or context about the topic. Thirdly, present a thesis statement outlining your opinion or stating that you will discuss both advantages and disadvantages. Next is you will discuss firstly about the advantages of the topic. Start with a topic sentence introducing the first advantage. Present specific details, examples, or explanations supporting this advantage. Use transition words to move smoothly to the next advantage. Also, we would like to let you know that we do provide online and offline classes in relation to IELTS preparation. If you wish, you can inquire us on the above given numbers. Now let us move on to the disadvantages. That is, firstly, you will begin with a topic sentence introducing the first disadvantage, then provide details, examples, explanations to support this disadvantage, and transition logically to the next disadvantage. The next is balance and comparison. This is optional. If you wish, you can include this in your essay. Here, what you need to do is consider a paragraph that compares and contrasts advantages and disadvantages directly. Discuss any overlapping or interconnected points between the advantages and the disadvantages. Yes, and the next is nothing but the conclusion. Here, what you need to do is reinstate the main points briefly without introducing new information. Reinforce your opinion if you provided one in the introduction. End with a concluding statement that emphasizes the overall significance of the topic. Yes, so this sums up the advantage disadvantage essays. Here is an example. So let us see what is the question. Firstly, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of online learning. Now let us see how you can go about this particular essay. Firstly, the introduction. Online learning, also known as e-learning, has rapidly gained popularity in recent years. This essay will explore both the benefits and the drawbacks of this educational approach. Okay, now the next is body paragraph 1. Here, what you need to do is, one significant advantage of online learning is its flexibility. Students can access course materials at their convenience, allowing them to study at their own pace. For example, working professionals can balance their job responsibilities while pursuing further education without the constraints of fixed class schedules. Additionally, online learning offers a wide range of course options, enabling learners to access educational resources from institutions worldwide. This accessibility enhances the learning experience, especially for those in remote areas with limited access to traditional education facilities. Moving on to body paragraph 2, here you can state otherwise. You can say, however, online learning also presents certain challenges. One notable drawback is lack of face-to-face interaction with instructors and peers. This absence of physical presence may hinder collaborative learning and personal interaction, impacting the development of social skills and teamwork abilities. Another disadvantage of online learning pertains to the need for self-discipline and motivation. Without the structure of regular classes and face to face accountability, some students may struggle to stay focused and disciplined in their studies, leading to incomplete courses or lower levels of engagement. Yes, now let us go on to the next paragraph, which is the balance and comparison, which is optional. While online learning offers flexibility, accessibility, traditional classroom based education fosters direct interaction and immediate feedback. The former suits individuals with time constraints, while the latter enhances interpersonal skills and immediate clarifications. Let us see what you can include in the conclusion. Here, in conclusion, online learning presents several advantages such as flexibility, accessibility to diverse courses. However, it also poses challenges related to limited face-to-face interaction and requirement for self-discipline. Despite these drawbacks, the increasing integration of technology in education suggests that online learning will continue to evolve, offering a viable educational alternative for many individuals worldwide. Yes, so with this, we wind up the essays on advantages and disadvantages. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. In order to receive more updates on this particular information, you can hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.